Marie. This is my first ever YouTube video. I decided to make a channel to share my love for subscription boxes and maybe some other things, which is why I decided to name my channel Bremix, because it may end up evolving into something else. And so today I'm going to start with an unboxing of a new subscription that I've never tried before. This is my first ever box. It's from a company called Coastal Co. It's a beach themed box. This box retails at $99. It's a quarterly subscription. So there is, you get a seasonal box. This one that I'm going to unbox today is the summer seasonal box. And since it was my first box, there's actually a coupon code that you can use where you'll get $20 off your first box to see if you like the products. And so with that, I will go ahead and open this. I'm really excited about this because I'm not actually, I love the beach, but let's see how we open it. And it has like some tabs. Oh, starts off with a beach postcard. Okay. This card basically has everything that's in the box, as well as the original price of the products. So you can see what deal you're getting on each product. This is really cute. It already feels super beachy. I haven't even delved in yet. Ooh, okay. So the first thing it looks like, there's a shirt. It's from O'Neill. It's kind of like an olive green paradise shirt. Oh yeah, that's super cute. It has like palm trees on it. I like that. Perfect for just lounging around the house or wearing out to the lake or the beach. That was the Paradise Palm Tea, which was originally $30. So. Okay, and then this, ooh, this is a towel. Oh, this is like a really soft towel. And I think it's round. Yeah, this is actually like a round towel, so I can't probably hold this up, but it's like a really pretty print. And it's really soft. It almost feels like a blanket. But this is really nice. This is really nice. And this was originally $59 for this towel. So that's pretty much almost what I paid for the box. Although I don't know if I would pay $59 for a towel normally. Oh, then there's this really cute pineapple hat. It's a flex fit, so it doesn't have the like the ponytail holder in the back, but I think this will probably fit really pretty well. It's cozy. I don't know if you'd want to wear it on the boat or anything though, because it would probably blow off without having like the ponytail thing to hold it. Oh, here's a little sample of like a fragrance oil that the box was scented by. So they actually have like, it smells really beachy, and I guess that's because they scented the box with this Perrette. And they gave like coupon codes if you want to order some of that, I guess. Oh, and I forgot to say, this hat was originally $28. It's a really nice, it's pretty comfortable. It's a flex fit. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh wow, this is cool. Yeah, okay, so These are reusable metal straws. This is great because I am a person, I love straws, but I also know how bad they are for the environment. And I actually live in Texas, and we're just now getting on a lot of the bars here are starting to not have straws. And I don't like to drink from a cup at a restaurant. I don't feel like they're super clean. So this is really nice. Comes with, 2 straws, which is perfect. So, and one's gold and one's silver. I don't know if you can see these. And then they come in this really cute bag with a palm tree on it. And then even better, the most essential thing you need with having anything reusable is something to clean. And it came with a straw cleaner, which this is a really nice. This is a really nice set. Okay. What's next? Oh, and the straws were originally $12. So far we're already at a higher total than what I even paid for this box. This is Osea Ocean Cleanser. Nourishing seaweed cleansing gel formulated with natural organic ingredients. Removes impurities and makeup while protecting the skin's natural moisture barrier. For normal, dry, and combination skin. So this is a face wash, I believe. I'm always down to try new face washes, especially ones made with natural ingredients. And this one predominantly has seaweed, so that's kind of cool. I look forward to trying that out. And this was originally $18, the Osea. Okay, and next we have, All Good Tinted Sunscreen, SPF 30. It's a zinc formula, non-greasy, water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes. This is really nice. This would be really good to use on your face because sometimes like you want to go to the lake or the beach and you're like don't want to wear your makeup because it's just going to wash off, but you can put like some tinted sunscreen on your face and it will be almost like you maybe have some makeup on that is sweat and water resistant. This also might be good if you're doing some athletic sports. So I look forward to trying this out. And this is originally priced at $20. So I look forward to trying that. And it says it's formulated to blend for all skin tones. So that's cool. Okay. And finally, oh wow, this is really cool. So this is a beach bag by Aloha. This is, I don't know if you can see the print. Oh yeah, there you can see it. This is a gorgeous print. It's made from like a really nice material that I think is probably water resistant. Yeah, it says the perfect beachside tote to keep your belongings safe and dry. This is really nice. Like there's like a zipper on the front and like a pretty big pocket right here. Like that's like perfect to put like your cell phone. And then it's like a zipper closed on top. Oh wow, and there's like another zipper inside here, so like you could hide things, put your tampons in there, or really anything. It says that you can put things in here to keep things dry. It's good for travel, surf, and yoga. This is really nice. I will use this. A girl can never have too many totes, and especially ones that are like water resistant. Like you put your towel, your sunscreen, your straws, anything that you want to stay dry, like on the boat or on the beach. And this material like seems like it would just brush off. And this was marked at, if you wanted to just buy this, it would be $58. So that's a really great deal. So this is everything that's in this box. I'm really excited about these products. This tote is probably going to get used the most, but I'm really excited about these straws because I've been thinking that I needed some and just haven't jumped the gun to purchase any. and we had the Ocean Cleanser face wash and the tinted sunscreen. The pineapple hat, which who doesn't love pineapples? This really soft round towel that is huge and will be perfect for laying out on the dock. This like fun casual t-shirt. And then this small like scent. It's just really beachy. So yeah, that's everything that was in this Coastal Co box. If you guys are interested, I'll put some information in the bio of this video. I think that's how this works. Thanks for watching my first ever YouTube unboxing video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to comment on this video, and I will try to answer them. If there's any specific things I can help you with. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Would you be interested in this box? What did you like or not like about it? Thanks for watching.